Good morning. Today we're going to work through an unboxing video. Picked up some Milwaukee tools the other day, setting up my new shop and working through trying to get organized here. I didn't want to bring all my tools from the house, that way I would leave myself with nothing there. So I figured I would invest in some new stuff for here. Picked up a couple of different hammers through Milwaukee, a good size crescent wrench, and their Mechanics tool kit. It is item number 48-22-9489. I will open this up and let everybody kind of see what I got here. I honestly don't know what I have in the box. I know it was a pretty good set. I got it for a nice price. Figured it'd be a great addition to the shop. I've been using Milwaukee tools for a little while now and have really liked their products. They do make a really good quality piece. I would use their battery operated M18 and M12 tools, as well as their hand tools. This is not a paid sponsorship or anything like that. It's just a preference of mine. I know everybody has a tool preference on what they like to buy. I particularly like these. I've had very good luck with them. They've been very tough tools. I've put some of this stuff through its paces and really enjoyed the quality of their products. Well, let's get to opening this box and seeing what's inside. Bubbles, we'll save those for later for parts packing. I do sell a lot of vintage Harley-Davidson parts on eBay. I recycle a lot of packing material boxes and plastic pieces like that so they can be used again rather than hitting the landfill directly. First off, let's pull out the screwdriver set that I've got. I've got a nice little set of screwdrivers here. I think this will be nice. I've never used their screwdrivers, not yet at least, but we'll figure out how good they are. I have used their ratchets. I do have a set of their locking pliers. I do like those. It's a good set that I have at the house. I've used them for a little over a year now, and they've been a great piece as well. One of the features that I like about their tools, this set in particular, is the fact that it comes in its own really nice tool roll. And what I like about these is they have a mixture between curved jaws and straight jaws. They also have this handy adjuster on the bottom, which you can slide a screwdriver in and get yourself a little more leverage if needed. Next we have their pick set. I do have one of these at home as well. For me, these are probably the strongest set of picks I've used when it comes to pulling apart, clips and whatnot. These I'm not breaking the tips on, where a lot of other tools I've used in the past, whether it be Craftsman or any other hardware store's pick set, I've ruined the tips usually in the first couple of uses. These have held up really well so far. Also have a nice pry bar set, multiple links. Have not used these ever yet. Excited to give these things a shot. They do have an end for, hitting with a hammer and whatnot to beat on. I know I've been rough with the snap-on set that I've had. I bought them actually from a friend of mine, and that's been a good set. I'm anxious to use these and see how well these compare. One of the things that these came with, there's quite a few of these in the box, these paint markers. Not sure why I got so many with the kit, but it's part of the package. I'm sure we'll use them, or they'll dry out real fast and I'll end up throwing them away faster than I probably use them. 56 piece metric and standard socket set. I don't have I have the 3/8 set at home actually. I have a similar set, but it's all standard, and I really like that. The ratchet actually works really well. The tools seem super tough. One of the things that I like about them is they have the flat sides. So if you needed to get a wrench on it and just turn it, you can do that too, rather than using the socket wrench. In case you have a socket that's stuck or something that needs a little extra force, you can use your long crescent wrench to get on that and give yourself some leverage, and that's been really handy. I also have the 50 piece 1/4 inch drive, metric and standard set. Yeah, there's a few more of those paint markers, quite a few of them in there. Can't remember if there's 6 or 8 of them, but it's a fair amount. Also have the ratcheting standard wrenches. These are a nice set of wrenches. I have not used the ratcheting ones yet. I do have their standard wrenches at the house, which are a nice quality piece. They're built really well. They're actually heavy duty. I've got the standard non-ratcheting wrench set. Then we have the metric non-ratcheting wrench set. Last but not least, we have the ratcheting metric wrench set. I'm excited to try these guys out, put them through the test, see how they work. They do have a lifetime guarantee on them, just like many other manufacturers. The one thing, like I said, I do like about these, they seem like they're built tougher. Honestly, these are heavier tools. They feel heavy in the hand. They feel like they're built well. I'm very happy that they're made in America, and they do come with a lifetime warranty. But that is it for the Mechanics tool set. As far as the hammers that I have a 32 ounce dead blow, and I have a 16 ounce dead blow. But that's my Milwaukee tool set for now. I currently do not have a toolbox to put them in, unfortunately. I'm working on that. That's the next purchase I'll be making. I'm not sure if I'm going to go with a Milwaukee toolbox or not. I may buy a Husky brand. Husky brand seems to make a little bit better toolbox, and from what I understand, Milwaukee does not make their own toolboxes. They're made by somebody else. They seem to be made a little bit thinner. As far as metal material and durability, it might not be as good as the Husky brand boxes, and I've used Husky brand boxes in the past. So that may be my purchase next. I'm not sure yet, kind of doing the research yet to figure out what I want to buy, but as soon as I buy something, I'll let you know. Thanks.